We begin here in New York City. That is the virus epicenter in New York State. New York State, of course, the epicenter in the U.S. Well, the city saw a drop in COVID-19 admissions to hospitals, plus a decrease in the percentage of positive tests. And these declines in pace of death, as well as declines in new infections, also reported in Spain, Germany, Netherlands, and Malaysia. And so what we're really seeing is the process of the easing of social restrictions that shut down economies. That process is beginning. France is announcing plans to begin shops, the reopening of shops on May the 11th, but large gatherings are being banned until at least September. And in China, the origins of the new coronavirus, well, the virus is forcing the rethinking of the National People's Congress to perhaps a more reduced format in May. Those conversations continue to be ongoing, including by video conference as they figure that out. Sticking in China, the top scientists there are joining a growing global consensus that says that COVID-19 is not going to be eradicated, but return in waves. So that takes us to vaccines and treatments that continue to be developed. Moderna filing for a phase 2 trial with the U.S. government, and that moved the stock upwards. The FDA chief focused on the treatment of plasma, as saying that preliminary data show that that treatment could be a benefit to virus patients. We've talked a lot about the impact of the economy in the form of shuttered businesses and tens of millions of jobs that have been lost. Earlier on Tuesday, U.S. consumer confidence dropping to the lowest level since 2014. And so a real spotlight as well, as far as the economy is concerned, is now focusing on the food supply here in the U.S. and possible meat shortages for Americans. The world's biggest pork producer is the owner of Smithfield Foods. That CEO say that the company is facing unprecedented challenges because meat plants are closed because of COVID-19. And the CEO of TYSON Foods say that the food supply is breaking.